Hi everyone! Today we are going to do simple bow, easy for beginner, and in the end I will show you one trick how to use it and how to adjust it to your size. So for today class we will use half acrylic and half wool yarn. It's 5 till 7 hook size. I will take 5.5 millimeter hook size. The size of yarn you can find on the label usually, or check online according to your marks. And we need to have needle for hiding tails and scissors. So let's get started. Okay, for the beginning we will start with slip knot as usual. Take this one. Or you can use any other style you prefer. Inside your hook, grab yarn. Okay, very nice. First slip knot is ready. Now we need to do chain. This is how we do it. Grab yarn and pull through the loop. 1, 2, 3, and you do as much as you want. The size of the bow I will show you later, but I will do 25. So we have 25 chains. You can check the size like this and this one. If you are happy with the results, you can continue, or if you want more longer tails, you can add chains here as much as you want. So we continue, put back our hook, and we will go skip this one first chain and go through second chain from the hook. This is one. And we are going to do slip knot. For this we put hook, grab yarn, and grab yarn again. Again for slip knot you need to put hook inside the chain, grab yarn again. And one more time I will show you very slow. And you go till the end of the chain. Here we will see each other again. So the last one is done. They have this one, and here the last chain. So grab yarn again and pull through the loop. So you need to left a little bit more yarn to put it in your needle. We are going to hide the tails, so here we are. Put your yarn into the loop and secure it like this. Very nice. Now we have two tails and need to hide it somehow. I will show you how. Grab your needle, put yarn inside. Very nice. So now take your bow and put needle between the loops here. You can do it like this. I will not go very far, but you can do as much as you wish. That's it. See? And cut it like this. And one more tails here. We are going to do the same. Put it between your stitch as long as you wish, but I will not do very much because it's not needed. So here we go, here we are, cut it, that's it, a little bit pull and it will hide by itself. So now if you see tail, you can just cut it again, that's it. And now what are we going to do? We already have our bow. Now we need to I will cut around 20 centimeters for the fix it. You can go longer or smaller, it's not very convenient, but long, that's okay. So cut it. Okay, now put your bow on top of your yarn and I will fix it with your yarn. This is a piece of the yarn like this. Okay, very nice. You can fix it like this, move a little bit, adjust, and if you're happy with the result, you can fix the yarn on the other side. Okay. And again. Cut the tails and it's ready. So our bow is done. You can use it as it is or as a keychain, and of course, as I promised, you can adjust the size of your bow if you will use smaller one. For example, for this I used hook number 3 millimeter. It's written usually here. It's become little bit smaller and you can just do it together. And if you want bigger one, you can use bigger hook and receive bigger bow. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Happy crochet.